Following are quick start programming instructions for the Ultravac vacuum packaging machine's optional LCD touchscreen control panel. Select the number or name of the program you wish to use. You can add a name for a program by clicking the white box. Change program settings by touching the Edit Parameters button. Select any parameter you wish to change, enter a new value, and press Enter. Once you have the parameters you want, select Run. The machine will run when you close the lid. While running, the control panel provides a status of steps in the packaging cycle. When the cycle is completed, the lid will automatically lift open. When placing product in the machine, try to have the middle of your products aligned with the seal bar. You can add and remove the filler plates included with your machine for the proper product placement. When using gas flush, place a nozzle inside the vacuum pouch. The entire vacuum bag should be inside the chamber. Keep the sealing area as flat and clean as possible to ensure the proper seal.